What's your relationship with your 30-second elevator pitch or your business pitch? So if someone asked you, tell me about your business or what is it that you do? I have found that people hate giving their 30-second elevator pitch. I am here in Newfoundland in St. John's, and I gave a few workshops on ditching your boring business pitch and how to pitch with confidence. And when you ask people to give their elevator pitch, well, I was fighting with a lot of women entrepreneurs, a lot of moans and groans. People were like, oh, I don't want to do it. And I realized people have a really funny relationship with their elevator pitch. I think it's because we put a lot of pressure on ourselves. It's like, oh, we only have 30 seconds. How am I going to get all this great information in 30 seconds? And so we'd rather not do it than screw it up. So I wonder if you can actually think about reframing that. I see giving my 30-second elevator pitch as this opportunity to share my passion, which is giving voice to entrepreneurs through video. And I'm really excited that I can share my message. My message being that you're good enough just as you are. You don't have to try to pretend to be anyone else. Because the minute you do that, that's when you start feeling I guess really inauthentic, and that's when a lot of that discomfort comes in. So if you really just speak from the heart and of course be prepared with what you want to say in your business pitch, that can make all the difference in the world. And that means writing it out and testing it out beforehand. So the next time you're at a meeting and they say, okay, everyone go around and give your elevator pitch, be excited about it. Be like, yeah, I can't wait to do this because I get to share my passion with the world. Thanks so much, and remember to go to jennybeck.com, JAENYBAIK, for some more awesome video tips. And please go to my Facebook page and like it, facebook.com/JennyBeckMedia. Thanks so much.